Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Grammatastic. Before I name the topic for the day, let us look at these visuals. In the box, on the box, under the box, next to the box, behind the box, near the box, between the boxes, among the boxes, in front of the box, above the box, below the box, at the door, far from the box. You might have got an idea about the topic for today. Let us look at these sentences. There is a cow in the field. It shows the relation between cow and the field. He is fond of tea. Shows the relation between fond and tea. The cat jumped off the chair. Shows the relation between cat and the chair. It joins a noun to another noun. It joins a noun to an adjective. It joins a noun to a verb. Yes, the topic is preposition. And a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to the other words in the sentence. Let us look at the types of prepositions. The first type is the preposition of place, where something is located. Preposition of time denotes a specific time period. Preposition of direction denotes the direction of something. Preposition of agent, relationship between the doer, that is a noun, and the action. And preposition of instrument, relationship between nouns, and these nouns are some devices or machines, to other words in a sentence. We shall move one by one. The first one is preposition of place. Expresses the physical or virtual boundary, surface, or a specific place. At, to show a specific place, location, or a position. So now I am talking about the usage. Example, turn right at the next crossing. I shall meet you at the park. We shall take our lunch at home. On, to show position on a horizontal or vertical surface. Example, the bottle is lying on the table. The cuckoo clock hanging on the wall is my favorite. In, to show that something is close or surrounded. Example, there was nobody in the class. Harry came in his car. Between, among, used with two people or things or group of people or things. Example, there is a close bond of friendship between Ron, Harry, and Hermione. The furry squirrel is hidden among the bushes. Between and among, used for dividing or sharing. Example, my mom divided the cake equally between or among me and my sister. So here both the prepositions are correct. Anyone can be used. Above, over, Both mean higher than, and either of them can be used. Sharon held the umbrella above me. Sharon held the umbrella over me. Both are correct. Below, under. Both mean lower than, and either of them can be used. The keys lay below the pile of books. The keys lay under the pile of books. Behind, in front of. These prepositions show the positions opposite to each other. Example, the cat ran behind the mouse. The principal stood in front of the students. Beside, it means by the side of or next to. Example, the theater is beside my house. The table beside the bed is brown. Opposite, in a position facing someone or something but on the other side. Example, her house is just opposite the park. Near, it means close by. Example, the lake near the hill is extremely beautiful. Across, it means on the opposite side of. Example, the supermarket is across the road. Preposition of direction expresses the direction of something. Example, they are going to the mall. The bus was coming towards her. He threw the log into the river. Preposition of time refers to the time of various aspects. At denotes definite and indefinite point of time. At midnight, at 7 p.m., at the end of the day show definite period of time. Whereas at night, at Diwali, at Holi show indefinite period of time. Night can be any part of the night. Same, Diwali and Holi can be celebrated on any day. The dates are not fixed, so they are indefinite. Moving ahead, on is used with days and days. Example, on Tuesday, on 29th September. In is used with parts of day, months, years, and seasons, and with future action. Examples, in the afternoon, in December, in summer, in an hour. By, it means not later than. Example, Tia must be home by 2 p.m. For, it shows duration, that means how long. Example, she was my classmate for 3 years. Since, it shows the time when the action began. Example, I have been waiting for you since 9 o'clock. From, it shows the starting time of the action. Example, they will be in Goa from 19th to 25th August. During, it shows the entire period of the action. It continued to rain during the day. In, within, In means at the end of, within means before the end of. I shall be able to finish my project in a week. I shall be able to finish my project within a week. Until, by. Until means the action continues to a certain moment. And by means the action will happen before or at a certain moment. Don't leave until I come back. Please return my book by tomorrow. Now comes the preposition of agent. Shows casual relationship between the doer and the action. Matilda is authored by Roald Dahl. I am going to play with my friend. Preposition of instrument shows to join devices, machines, instruments, which are all nouns, to other words in the sentences. I go to school by a car. He hit the dog with a stone. Some prepositions which are used for place and time both, like at. Turn right at the next crossing. I shall meet you at the park. We shall take our lunch at home. They are used for place here. I heard a scary noise at midnight. My father will come at the end of the day. He will come home at Holi. Used for time. So you can differentiate with the sentences. On is also used for both time and place. The bottle is lying on the table. The cuckoo clock hanging on the wall is my favorite. This is used for place. My review starts on Tuesday. My birthday is on 29th September. Used for time. In. There was nobody in the class. Harry came in his car. Used for place. I take a short nap in the afternoon. It's chilling cold in December. He will be back in an hour. Used for time. With this, I end the lesson for prepositions. Keep practicing. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet you soon with a new topic. Thank you.